Where's the mouse?
There he is.
What's he saying?
Hey, silly monkeys.
Where are the eyes?
Right there, Bobo.
Oh, there they are.
Jace, where's the alligator? Where's the alligator?
There it is. Where's the mouse? He's hiding.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, there he is. What about the eyes? Yeah, what about the alligator? He's hiding. Oh, there's his eyes. Bye, silly monkey.
Like that.
We don't write on it, do we? Playing in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator. Ha, ha, you can't catch me. Here comes Mr. Alligator, sneaky as can be.
Gotcha.
Gotcha! 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 Here comes Mr. Alligator, sneaky as can be. Gotcha! Where did the monkeys go? Are they in the water?
No.
No. Are they in the alligator's tummy? Gee. Here they are, silly monkeys. What's the last page say?
That's Mama.
Now you gotta kiss me.
Mama.
Good job.